Is freezing your face off worth $100? Welcome to Weird But Well, where we test the hottest wellness trends by turning the thermostat down to -200. Today's ritual: cryotherapy chambers, 3 minutes of subzero blast, glowing promises, and questionable science. So, what happens when you willingly enter a human freezer for the price of a gourmet dinner? Let's find out. Cryotherapy chambers use liquid nitrogen or refrigerated air to rapidly cool your skin to temperatures between -100 degrees Celsius and -140 degrees Celsius, or -148 degrees Fahrenheit to -220 degrees Fahrenheit. You step inside wearing minimal clothing, socks, gloves, and your frostbite denial. It lasts 2 to 3 minutes. Longer and you risk hypothermia. This isn't your grandma's ice bath. It's the wellness world's snow globe sauna, sleek, silent, and promising miracles in minutes. Cryotherapy was first developed in Japan in the late 1970s by Dr. Toshima Yamaguchi, aimed at treating rheumatoid arthritis. His theory was that cold triggers an anti-inflammatory response that reduces pain. It slowly migrated to Europe, where athletes adopted it for muscle recovery, and then to North America, where it joined the luxe wellness circuit with spa lighting and influencer discounts. Ancient cultures use cold therapy too, from Roman frigidariums to Scandinavian ice plunges. But cryochambers? Their Cryo Boutique 2.0, cryotherapy fans claim it reduces inflammation, boosts mood via endorphin release, boosts muscle recovery after workouts, improves sleep, increases metabolism. Some clinics even advertise cryo for anti-aging and cellular rejuvenation, whatever that means. But here's the kicker. Most of these claims lack robust scientific evidence. Small studies show minor benefits but not enough for sweeping conclusions. And the FDA? They don't regulate or endorse cryotherapy chambers, so it's chill at your own risk. There are hazards. Extreme cold can cause skin burns, frostbite, and in rare cases, oxygen depletion if nitrogen levels aren't controlled. People with heart conditions, high blood pressure, or breathing issues are often advised to skip it. And if you're expecting a cryo miracle, prepare for placebo. The feel-good effect may come more from adrenaline than actual healing. It's cold, it's quick, but it's not a substitute for science-based medicine or actual rest. So, is 3 minutes of Arctic pain worth $100? If you're an athlete, it might be recovery theater. If you're stressed, it might feel like icy mindfulness. If you're chasing wellness clout, it makes a great TikTok. For lasting benefits, science gives it a lukewarm nod. Cryotherapy chambers, the wellness fridge you didn't know you needed, or maybe didn't need at all. This episode is for entertainment and curiosity purposes only. Cryotherapy may sound cool, literally, but it's not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a licensed health professional before plunging yourself into wellness experiments, even if they come with spa lighting. If you've watched this far without frostbite or existential chills, thank you for watching. We're weird but well, and we put our skin in the game so you don't have to. Like, subscribe, share, and tell your friends you're researching cold-induced enlightenment, not just vibing in a freezer. See you in the next bizarre wellness episode.